the overly elated, and the depressed. Number 13. Rambam is not referring to the average optimist and pessimist. Right? It's not. Rather he described personality who would give a grip on reality, who would not give a grip on reality. Meaning when he's too happy. Right? I'm not sure how to read the Veinum. Not sure. Is a term when is the use for the bereaved. Onain then. Okay. Onain is a term used for bereaved who was not yet buried. He's dead. And Mechalel, other extreme, is used by Yirmiyah 51:7, refers to the state of intoxication and delirious drunkenness. So let's try to understand this. Okay. So one is onain. So basically before lowering. So if somebody passes away, so a person have take care of the burial. So until he took care of the burial, he's exempt for many things. I think from all of the positive commandments, he's exempt.
Who is that?
Until he buried his relative.
Right.
So because he's preoccupied with running around, finding plot and make all of this arrangement, this Havra Kadisha stuff like that. So that's why he's exempt. Right? But if Havra Kadisha, let's say they taken over, they say they take the body and stuff like that. So from that time he's not obligated. I mean he can do the mitzvot. Some can do, some are not obligated. Okay. So meaning that the person cannot be like all his life like he's preoccupied with burial of his father, right? That he does not know what to do and where to run, and he's so depressed, right? On another hand, he cannot be like all of these drunkards, right? He always happy, whatever, right? Always happy, also not good. So one more time the sentence from the beginning. All other traits follow the same pattern of the contrast. For example, the overly elated and the depressed, the stingy and free-handed. Okay, free-handed, number 14.